Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about abstract class in Python. So what is abstract class and why we need actually abstract class? Abstract class kind of it has to be inherited. If I go here, you can see cannot be instantiated. Okay, you cannot create an object of an abstract class, and it means we cannot actually create the abstract class object like other class. Can contain abstract method and method without implementation, as I mentioned. Can have concrete methods, I mean method of full implementation, okay, used for inheritance. So how to use abstract class in Python? At first actually you have to import a module. So to do this you have to say from, you have to write abc, you have to say import abc, oops, not like this, abc comma abstract method, and that's it. Now you can actually declare any class. Now let's say I want to declare abstract class, so I will say here class. Let's say I want to do calculations, so I will say calculator. Okay, and here let's say I want to define function, some function. So for the addition I will say add, and here we just have to say pass. Why pass? Because pass is kind of a placeholder. If you think about a login form, if I go to the browser, let me show you. If I go for the incognito window, so if I go to the incognito window, you can see, if I go to the facebook.com, and here you can see email address and phone number kind of placeholder, right? If I say something here, you can see the text gone, email address or phone number. So here we have to use like this pass. It has no value, I mean null, so you just have to use it. It's a process actually. So pass, and so we have just defined the class, right? For the subtraction we can say sub, and then we can go to the new line and say pass. All right, so yeah, now that's it. Now let's go for the child class. So we have to as I mentioned earlier that all the methods should be incomplete, right, without implementation. Now we have to implement through a child class. Okay, so here let's say I want to say calculator, so I want to actually mention here a child class. Let's say one thing I have to mention here abc. Okay, so class, now let's say I want to say, okay, I want a basic calculator, so I will say basic under calculator, and here I want to mention the parent class calculator. Okay, and now I have to implement all of them, all the methods. So I will say add, and here I need to pass some variable, let's say. So here I need to say, let's say a b. Okay, here I need to say, let's say two parameter, okay, a b, because I want to do addition and subtraction, so I need two values. I need to say a b. All right, and here I want to say that, okay, print, I want to print here a plus b. Okay, a plus b. That's it. Now let's go here and I will say def the second method, and that is, let's say a b. So I will say print a minus b. Now I want to create instance or object, whatever you say, and let's say I want to use calculator. So actually I cannot create a calculator object. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to create basic calculator object. So I will say, let's say result, result is equal to, I want to say basic calculator, and here you can say that, okay, I want to say result dot add, and here let's say I want to pass two parameter, one is 2 and another one is 3. Okay, so 2 plus 3 will be 5. So I will say print I don't need to actually print it, right? So we have actually print here. So if I execute it, now you can see 5. And now let's say I want to say 12, it will be 15. Okay, now let's go for the subtraction. So I will say result dot sub, so I will say 12 minus 3. So I will say 12 comma 3, and if I execute it, now you can see 12 minus 3 is 9. All right, so I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.